Praise the Lord everyone. Welcome to the Bible Factory. In today's video we are going to learn how to read the Bible effectively. So without wasting any more of our time, let's get started. Many of us read Bible casually as if they are reading a storybook. But ever thought why Bible is called Holy Book? The Bible is the only book that has the power to set us free because it testifies of Christ. So now let us learn how to read the Holy Bible effectively. So first you have to select a short book in a New Testament or in Old Testament, and now we have to read the short book at least dozen times in a single sitting. Now begin to grasp the book as a whole and write an introduction and ask yourself these questions. Who wrote the book? To whom it was written? Why did he write it? And what is the central theme in it? And now you divide the book into proper sections or thoughts. Now go back to the beginning of the chapter and read it very slowly. Read the meaning of difficult words. I recommend you to download Strong's Bible. Here you can find original meanings of the Bible. The link is in the description, go check it out. So after you found the meaning, analyze the verse, follow the same thing until the next chapter completes. And finally, look for Jesus in the book. So read the Bible to be wise, believe it to be safe, practice it to be holy. I hope you like this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.